Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and yesterday we were long and we have banked amazing profit. But if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is given in the video description. Today we were short, as you can see here, and the price nicely respected this level, which is previously broken. Retest here, so we have another retest, and as soon as price failed to stay above this level, we have taken the short trade here, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit in intraday. If you look at the intraday analysis, let me make it bigger. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, we have the price developed this. Once the price hit this target here in 4-hour, as you can see here, price developed a sideways market. So this is the previous high is broken in 4-hour at this level, and as explained to my trader, look for pullback at this level, otherwise breakout and keep taking a pullback short trade here. As you can see here, price refused to break this level and we haven't seen any candle close above this orange EMA. And as soon as the price broken at this level and after the breakout, we have one breakout, one pullback, and we announce all this pullback. You can see here after the breakout of this support, we had a beautiful 3 pullback as soon as the price hit this level. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And once the banking some profit at the New York session, I did another analysis. As you can see here, price developed a downside channel pattern. As always, we have another beautiful breakout short trade here. After the breakout, another pullback. So you can see here we had really enjoyed beautiful short trades on EURUSD today. And let's move into the cable pound dollar. We also had a good trade. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, we have long trade here, and as soon as the price broken this morning, we had this beautiful long trade here, but price nicely respected this resistance. And at the New York session, we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you the entries, how I define the entries. And if you look at here this morning, and what I did basically, if you look at here, this is the analysis we did after the London morning session. Price developed. That's what I explained to my trader through live analysis. Price developed this impulsive, so we have a correction and then looking for another impulsive. So if you look at here, we have a bearish flag pattern develop as mentioned in the analysis. Once the price broken this pattern, and we announced through live ID commentary, after the breakout pullback, we have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level in 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback. So we have another beautiful pullback short trade here, as you can see here. After banking some profit, looking for pullback at this level, we have another beautiful pullback. Price nicely hit again, retest this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, profit target hit, bank some profit. And afterwards, once the price is reversed, we were expecting another pullback. That's the first priority as mentioned on the analysis. And through live video commentary, we're expecting here pullback here based on the previous analysis. We also had long target hit, bank beautiful, looking for another pullback. But if you don't see the pullback, and if the price gonna break the previous low, and after the breakout as mentioned in the analysis, if we develop a pullback or retest, then we're going to take a short trade here. You can see here we haven't seen any green candle. We have this impulsive move. After the impulsive move, price came back and retest exactly this level, and that's what happened, pullback short trade here. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, announce it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful long trade and short trade. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. We had a one small long trade this morning, and afterwards we were short trade here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, if you haven't seen my previous analysis, we were long from here beginning of the week and bank amazing profit. Even today we were long here. As soon as the price hit this level, we bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, that's what I explained to my trader. Look here, the price nicely respected at the very close to the resistance level, and price develop a false breakout, as you can see here. And if you look at here, this previous candle also give us the early sign of reversal. And as soon as the price develop a false breakout, Then we look at in intraday pattern, if anything pattern develop, we have taken the short trade here. Afterwards, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So we really enjoyed this ride today. Amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit, both long and short. You look at here in intraday analysis this morning, we have this long trade here. You can see here, even at the Asian session, we have this breakout. You can see after the breakout, pullback long here. And in the London morning session, price developed sideways market, which is pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, explained to trying to bank some profit, and afterwards the price reversed. That's what explaining, keeping mind on the 4-hour price action. That's what explained to my trader, price broken this previous, so expecting a pullback at this level after the breakout, which price refused. We have impulsive, and that's what explained to my trader. You can see, explained to me, if the price gonna break this previous low, then take a short trade here. If the price gonna break this one, then we're gonna see the continuation. You can see here, price nicely broken first, final target hit. That's what explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit and look for another pullback around this level, which I did another analysis instantly. As you can see here, price develop another pullback, beautiful, price nicely hit to the 200 EMA. Explain my trader, bank a profit and look for another pullback, which I did another analysis instantly. As you can see here, after banking some profit, look for another pullback. So we had another beautiful pullback short trade here, then another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit around 100 EMA in 4-hour chart, and that's what explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here, we had such a nice rally. We have this long here, and afterwards we have also short trade here, this one and this one. We have explained all these short trades. So we had such a nice, amazing day on dollar-CAD banking. Amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market analysis, with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency, I can also help you to get funded. If you are interested how I coach and train my traders every single day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading. And I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy keeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.